Pilipinas, nakatutok kayo ngayon sa
PGT Exclusives!
Huwag kakalimutang gamitin ang ating official hashtag for today. I'm your host, Wise Estabilio.
At kasama niyo rin Lorraine Galvez.
At ngayon naman ay i-welcome na natin ang napaka-cute na si
Rap
Rap! Wow!
Hi, Rap Rap!
Hello,
and
Rap
Mommy
Rap!
Lassie.
Wow, kumusta naman ikaw? First of all, congratulations! You got 3 yeses from our judges. Wow, may roar na kaagad siya. How do you feel right now, Rap Rap?
Good.
Ay, good daw.
Good. Na may konting growl.
Yes,
Good. Diba?
oo.
Rap Rap, everyone was so inspired by you. I even wore green because I wanna be a dinosaur like you. Diba?
I'm gonna be a pathologist.
You want to be a paleontologist one day.
I have many toys in my home.
You have many toys in your house. Wow. Aside from dinosaurs, what else? What toys do you still have in your house?
Dragon, Godzilla, and the T-Rex, Spino, Giganto, Mosasaurus, and the Dolomates Rex.
Ang dami.
Wow! That's so many! Can I have some?
Yes, you go. If you go home, I give your biggest one.
Wow!
Thank you so much, Rap Rap. And of course, si Mami Nasi naman. Hello po. Congratulations
Thank you po. Thank you.
At nakakuha po si Rap Rap ng 3 yeses mula sa ating mga judges. Kamusta po ang feeling?
Nakaka-happy po at saka nakaka-proud.
Proud mom, of
Totoo.
course, di ba?
Proud stage mom.
Proud stage mom.
Gaano ka-importante po sa inyo ang makakuha ng 3 yeses mula sa ating mga judges?
Actually po, privilege na po yung makatungtong ng PGT stage. Pero na nakatanggap ng 3 yeses, mas masaya po. Mas masaya. Thank you. Thank you
Yeah.
everyone.
Alam mo, sobrang happy po nung ating mga judges kanina no, habang pinapanood si Rap Rap. Ano po yung nararamdaman niyo doon?
Ano po, overwhelmed po sa lahat ng claps at saka papuri po nila about sa anak ko. Thank you.
Diba? Ang daming palakpak at nakapaglaro pa nga si Donnie with Rap Rap.
Totoo.
Rap Rap, how does it feel playing with Kuya Donnie in the stage?
Because I'm scared by dino.
Oh, really?
Like-
Oh, wow, wow. Ay, slowly daw, slowly sabi ni Mami.
Okay.
Di ba? Playground lang ni Rap Rap. Kasi kanina
Totoo.
nag-play siya with Kuya Donnie. Why not play with Kuya Wise din? Let's go here.
Yes, ayan. Okay. Dahan-dahan, Rap Rap. Ay! Ayan na po. Mga kapamilya, ngayon po ay nakikita natin na naglalaro at dinudumihan ang pantalon ni Wise Estabilio sa PGT Exclusives.
Diba?
Mag-iingat po kayo.
Of course, grabe. Rap Rap, you're so cute and we are so happy that you're here.
I'm a dino.
You are a dino! O, paano
Yes.
ikaw? Ingat ka. ha?
Ayan, habang bumababa si Rap Rap kay Wise, Mami, ano pong feeling na nakalaro ni Rap Rap si Sir Donnie naman?
Happy po. Napaka-happy. Swerte po yung anak ko.
So what if different emotions of a dinosaur? How does a dinosaur roar if it's happy?
Happy.
Happy roar.
Wow!
Ganon. How about a sad roar? Ganon. Nakayuko.
Oo. How about a hungry dinosaur? Ayun,
Ayun.
oh. How about a dinosaur is so excited? Grabe.
Yes! At syempre, sobrang excited kami para sa inyo naman ni Rap Rap and Mommy Nasi. Congratulations once again!
Thank you.